This is a sample of our doors. Brick mold finish on the outside. The material of the brick mold is a composite material, so we do not use any wood, which means the frame would be less maintenance or pretty much maintenance free. So the brick mold, it would be different sizes, depends on your door, but this is the brick mold on the outside. And then you will have your door jamb extension. The jamb is made out of a composite material as well, and then it extends all the way to the bottom. Same thing with the top. The bottom sill of your door, it is a metal sill. It could be either black or silver, depends on what color you might want to go for. This door is equipped with Bulgarian hinges. So these are heavy duty hinges, and they are more secure because they're not like your standard pin hinges that could be removed if someone wants to remove them. So this is a little bit more of a secure hinge, and it is also more heavy duty. The threshold on the bottom, it is adjustable, so you can actually adjust the height of the threshold to maintain, or you can close that gap between your door and your bottom sill, so to maintain no air that can leak in from the inside to the outside, or vice versa. So this is the exterior, and the frame, as I said, it will be maintenance free with that composite jamb and brick mold. Brick mold is this part, and this is the jamb. Underneath your sill, a typical door would have wood. This one actually wouldn't have wood, it would have a composite material right underneath it. So it's a composite material underneath the sill as well. This is your door from the inside. First thing would be your hinges that we want to explain. So these are Bulgarian hinges. The hinges are heavy duty. They are able to carry your door when you open it and close it, and then it maintains more balance and stability, as well as more safety and security, because they are not easy to be removed. So you cannot remove the slab from the outside, for example. So opening the door, when the door is open, you can see here that the threshold is on the bottom that could be adjusted. And you can see here the top of the screws. We always have an extra security screw, so you cannot actually unscrew the hinges unless you have that lock, so to be able to unscrew your hinges. Again, the frame is all composite materials. There is no wood components on any of these frames, which gives you more stability, and it maintain maintenance-free door, so you wouldn't have to do any maintenance unlike having a wooden door. This is more of a composite frame. That is a vinyl frame, same like our windows. And the other thing is your weather strip. So it's made out of memory foam. So the weather strip, it goes all around the door. So you're gonna have the top, sides, and the bottom. Your bottom weather strip is underneath the door slab that can be installed, and it will be coming with all our standard doors. As you can see here, as we push on the weather strip, it has that flexibility to maintain a very good airtight door and a very efficient door.